Hi guys! Okay, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Marcella. I'm just a lifestyle vlogger, so yeah. I think that was like the worst intro I've ever done. Oh my goodness. Hi, okay, so there's so many things happening today, but one thing that's happening that I'm super excited about is I am getting my cats today. I didn't tell anyone this because I never talked about it, but basically before I got married, I stayed with my mom for a month. So the month of December, I stayed with my mom and she already has cats. So I had to send my cats over to my friend's house through Xana's, which you guys all know who she is. I'll put a picture here. And her family watched my cats for me and I haven't seen them for 1 month and 10 days. Today's January 10th and they finally come home today and I am like so excited. I'm such like they're literally like my children to me. I think I've been like super sad recently because like I would watch cat videos and then like I'd miss my cats and literally start to cry. I'd just be like sniffling and I'd be like, I miss my cats. But my cats are coming home today. I am so happy. I'm so excited. Ugh, I have to like do some shopping, get them food and like cat litter and stuff. And I need to like, my hair is very greasy. I need to like wash my hair today or tomorrow. I feel like I'm gonna do it tomorrow, but yeah. Oh, also guys, I am filming on my new camera today. So if you haven't watched my unboxing of the new camera, the Canon EOS M50, make sure to go watch that because it's pretty awesome. This is my first time filming on it, so I'm pretty excited. I love how my room is just a mess. I am wearing these comfy pajama sets. They're from Shein. They were literally like $10 on Shein and they're so freaking comfy. Like what? They're so cute. But that is not why I brought you guys over here. I brought you guys over here because I have some things that I want to unbox with you guys. I also got this yesterday. Okay guys, so I recently got these new shoes from Nike. So I think one of my New Year's resolutions is definitely to like get off my butt more often. Like literally I just want to be more active. I want to start running. I'm not much of a runner, but like I feel like if I do it consistently I could get into it. So I got these new running shoes. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. So these are like the shoes. They're like so cute. Apparently they're like really good for like support. I forget the name of them. Let me see if I can see the name. They are the Nike Air Zooms Pegasus. Can you see that? Nike Air Zooms Pegasus. They're apparently really good for like support. So I'm like very excited because one thing I hate is like, I'm like a curvier person. So sometimes when I'm walking and stuff, like the support is not good. Like my back starts to like hurt and stuff. But these look like very nice shoes. Yeah, I'm excited to try these bad boys out. And then I also, if you watch my uploading my unboxing, I ordered these batteries, like spare ones for this camera. So I just have 2 batteries. Ugh. I just dropped something. Love that for me. So they just come with the 2 batteries, the charger, and then like the battery charging thingy-majiggy. I don't know what it's called. And then this like camera cleaning thing. Yeah, so that is the few things I had today. What else do I have to do today? So today is my January 10th. So if you're in like school or something, then you all know, at least for my school, I actually don't know if that's true for everyone, but my classes started today. I'm taking all my courses online, which I'm like very happy about because I live like very far away from my campus and I don't drive. I have my learners, but I don't drive and I'm just a bad driver. Ugh. I don't think I'm that bad actually. I think I don't have experience. But my new classes started today, so I am like kind of excited. Let me show you guys what classes I'm taking. So I am taking commercial law, I'm taking real estate law 2, credits and collection, and then my capstone. These are like the courses I took last semester, corporate, wills, and legal transcription, but this semester is my last semester. So your girl has like a full course load this semester and she is very like nervous. Luckily, like the first like classes, I feel like you really don't have anything you have to do or anything. Honestly, there's like just discussion boards or like intros, like welcoming yourself, like all that stuff. So I really don't have anything to do. But that being said, it is 12:06, so I think I'm going to go make some food. And I'll bring you guys along with me. I don't know what I'm gonna make, but I'm like very hungry and I have to make Ali food. Let's go get food because your girl is hungry. I think I'm gonna make Ali his deviled eggs for his lunch. Let's quickly do that. Okay, I'm done making these for Ali. I'm gonna go give it to him, then I'm gonna eat the apples, and I will catch up with you guys in a bit. Okay, so as you just saw, I put up that Scentsy thing so that like it can be nicer or whatever. And now I'm gonna make my bed because the bed needs to be made or else I'm just gonna keep laying in it for hours. Let's make the bed. Okay, bed is made. Already looks so much better. I just need to clean up like this area and then maybe organize. But at least the bed is made. Room is looking good. I also want to like work on this area. It's not too bad. I feel like it's just disorganized. But these are for my wedding and then I'm just reusing them in my house. Looks so good. Honestly, right now I'm just chilling and watching the originals. I feel like today's just a slow day. I was looking at like my course material and stuff for the new classes and I've decided today has just been like a really slow day. But at least the bed is made because I feel like now I'll avoid sitting in it. Probably not, but hopefully I avoid sitting in it. Outside is like really nice too. I kind of want to go on a walk today. It looks really like nice outside and our backyard looks messy. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a bit and then we'll see what we do next. Okay guys, it is the next day and my babies are home. Say hi to the camera. I missed you. It's been so long. Mommy loves you. I finally have my babies home and it feels like I haven't seen them forever. Yeah, I'm so happy that they're home. I didn't realize how much like I missed my babies. I missed them so much and now they're home. I have to go grocery shopping today because everyone's officially gone. Ali's family have all gone to Pakistan, Turkey, everywhere. So we have no groceries, which means I have to go shopping today. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to do that. And yeah, it should be a fun day. It is so nice out today. I've had my window open the whole day. I think it's like a Chinook or something, but like it's just so nice to like smell like the fresh air and stuff. I will see you guys when I finish my grocery list and then I will take you guys along with me to go get groceries. So I've come to realize that I need to go on more walks because I am out of shape. We made it to Superstore and now I can get the groceries. I'm kind of excited to be honest. Okay, walking and talking does not work for me right now. So I'll see you guys inside. Say goodbye. I got really red, but I am finished. now time to go home. Okay guys, I'm home from grocery shopping. Yeah, I just got a few things I needed. I'm with my babies. We're just chilling. And that was really it. It was just like a nice chill vlog. I'm so happy my cats are home. I feel like I can finally call this place home because like I have my children. And yes, I consider my cats to be my babies because I love them so much. But yeah, that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!